I am going to show you how to set auto-numbering in Excel so that serial numbers appear only if the cells against are filled with data. It will be a cool. If we are going to enter serial numbers manually, it can't do this method. It always appear there. For this you to have enter this formula into cells in which serial numbers are to be populated. Formula is given in description box. The $sign is meant to keep the first reference unchanged. It should be the ever first cell address. Then drag and fill the formula into all cells you want.